Today in San Tidbits, I'm going to show you how to make easy and quick garlic spicy chicken. It's kind of sweet, spicy and tangy at the same time. It's very easy to do it. So let's go see how to do it. Let's see what all the ingredients we need for it. It's boneless, skinless chicken cut into bite-sized 1.5 cups, cornstarch tea 3 tablespoons, soy sauce 2 tablespoons, honey 3 tablespoons, ketchup 1 tablespoon, salt for taste, and oil for shallow frying, and the ginger garlic paste 1 teaspoon, sesame oil 1 tablespoon, crushed garlic 1 tablespoon, half a teaspoon of crushed chili powder, 1 teaspoon ginger paste, half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, as roasted sesame seeds for garnishing, and green onion, and half a cup water for cooking. That's all. First, let's marinate this chicken for 30 minutes with 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and little bit salt and little bit of chili powder from the ingredients we saved, and then 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix it well. I added a little bit more of a crushed pepper because I like spicy one, and I used about like almost 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and mix it well, and we are going to marinate this in fridge for 30 minutes. Make sure the chickens are well coated with the cornstarch so that we get a crispy pieces. Now the chicken is marinated well. We are gonna fry the chicken, and I'm gonna shallow fry it. If you like, you can deep fry it also. So I'm gonna shallow fry it today. So now the pan is hot. I have little bit oil, so I'm gonna put my chickens there. Try to put each pieces one by one. So the chicken is almost done now. It's crispy and it smells great now. So I'm going to take it out and put the second batch. Okay, now I'm going to put the second batch. Now second batch is also done, and now take it out. See, now all the chicken is fried and it's done nicely. It's a pretty good color. Now I have the pan heated, and then I'm going to pour this sesame oil. let the oil heat little bit, and then once the oil is heated, I'm gonna put the crushed garlic and the ginger. Saute for a minute. Let the raw smell go. Keep the flame lower, and then I'm gonna put chili powder, the crushed chili powder, and a little bit the pepper powder. I'm gonna reduce it because I don't want the spicy one, so I'm reducing a little bit, and saute this one too. Now that smells so good. Now I'm gonna simmer it. I'm gonna add soy sauce and tomato ketchup and honey. And also I'm going to add a little bit salt. Now increase the flame and cook this one for a few minutes. Check for the salt and the spice. I think I need more salt. Now remember, we saved half of the cornstarch and the water. I mixed it and make it into little like a paste kind of thing, like little watery paste. I'm gonna add this one. And then mix it immediately because the cornstarch tend to become very thick. So lower the flame and mix it very well. And I'm gonna add more water. Now add the chicken and glaze it. See, I'm going to increase the flavor more so that the sauce becomes very thick. I think it's ready. Now I'm going to garnish it. Switch off the stove and you can garnish with the sesame seed. And green onions. Spicy garlic chicken is ready. Hope you guys make it and enjoy it. If you like it, please like and share. Please give me a feedback. Thank you.